What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony, and today I'm going to tell you the truth about affiliate marketing and why most of you guys are failing. And this is going to be a brutally honest video, and I'm going to be straight up because there's a lot of people that want to make money online, and you guys are just completely missing the game, okay? You guys are completely missing why it is that you're failing. So here are going to be some of the truths behind affiliate marketing. What's going on, guys? Dennis Anthony, and we are back. And I wanted to make this video because I'm getting so many messages on Facebook and Instagram and emails about people asking me, why are they failing with affiliate marketing? Why are you not making any money? Why can't you guys drive traffic to your website? Why do you make one sale and then it goes weeks before you see another sale coming in? Okay, so I kind of want to be completely honest and give you guys the hard reality to why a lot of you guys are failing with affiliate marketing. So here are going to be some of my truths behind why I think most of you guys are failing with affiliate marketing. Okay, and the first one is going to be that people have the wrong idea about affiliate marketing. So we all know that an affiliate marketer basically sells somebody else's product, okay? You do not hold any of the inventory. You do not hold any of the fulfillment or customer service aspect of the business. So you think that once you get your affiliate link that you can just start, spamming it all over the internet or, running ads directly to a sales page, and you're not getting any success, and then you wonder why you're not making any sales. Okay, maybe if this was like 2005, you can do that, but people are a lot smarter when it comes to making purchases online now. So you can't just, come across somebody and just go ahead and submit to them your affiliate link and say, hey, buy this product. That's going to come off as very spammy. You're bothering people. You have to think of it like this. Why do you buy some of the things that you do buy in your regular life? That could be because you have a relationship built with that person, or that could be because you really like and trust a specific brand, whether that be clothing or food. I mean, think about it like this. When you walk into the grocery store and you're going to pick out your favorite box of cereal, which box of cereal are you buying? Because I'm sure for every flavor of cereal, there is about 3 or 4 different brands that are selling sort of the same cereal. So why is it that you're grabbing that specific box? Is it packaging? Is it because you ate this cereal as a kid? Is it because, XYZ? You have to figure out the reasons why you as a person buy some things, and that way you'll be able to understand the market as to why people buy where they buy and who they buy from, okay? The second thing is because you're just not patient. Maybe you are doing the right steps. You are doing all of the right things. You do have your sales funnel set up. You do have an email list. You do promote a great product. However, you're expecting to make a sale the next day. You're expecting to make $10,000 in a month. And just like anything, it takes time to grow to that level. It's not going to happen overnight. The internet wasn't created yesterday, and internet millionaires are not created overnight, okay? If you ask any internet marketer, anybody who sells anything online, if they had instant success overnight, and I guarantee you that 99% of them will tell you no. So if you want to run an affiliate marketing business, treat it like a business, okay? Do not treat this as if I'm just going to throw up a couple of links and I'm going to make $10,000 and then I'm going to be able to put my feet up on the beach and sip pina coladas. It doesn't work that way. Maybe in a year, 2 years, 3 years, after putting in the work, you can do that. Maybe if you work harder than the others, maybe 6 months. But I'm definitely not going to sit here and tell you that it's going to take 30 days before you cash your big $1 million check. It just doesn't happen. You guys need to be more patient, okay, and trust the process. The third step is going to be, the third reason why is that a lot of you guys are not putting forth a ton of effort. like I said, you're grabbing an affiliate link, you're grabbing an affiliate product, and you're throwing it up online. You make one blog post about it, you make one YouTube video about it, and you think that sales are just going to streamline in. You need to put in a lot of effort, especially in the beginning when you're building your business. Maybe once you're already established, you've already built a reputation online, you do not have to put in as much effort as someone who is just starting out in day one. So if this is day one for you, or this is day 30, or whether this be 2 years in the business and you haven't made consistent sales, and you're really looking to dial in and get serious with affiliate marketing, make sure you are putting in enough effort. You are only going to get out what you are putting in, and that's the basic facts. It's just like for anything. If I'm a professional athlete and I'm gifted and I'm athletic and I'm 7 feet tall and I run a 4.240, obviously I'm going to be better than the average person. However, if the average person outworks me and they come into the game or the boxing ring or the gym in better shape than me because they're working harder than me, who's going to win at the end of the day? Me or them? That's the way you have to look at it. The next one is going to be that you guys are promoting the wrong products. And what I mean by the wrong products is that the product might be a good product. It might help fill a need on what people need. However, there's no upsell after that product. Let's say the product pays you $27 in commission. You do all this work. You build your email list. You build your audience. You send them over to your sales page. You make $27. Great. So you sell 100 items at $27. However, after the fact, after you sell them that initial product, what is the follow-up process after that? Do you have another product in place to upsell them after that? Okay, so you cannot live off of just selling a one-time offer. You need to get into maybe selling a coaching, maybe selling a membership, some kind of membership, maybe selling a product that offers 2, 3, 4 high-end, back-end offers after the initial sale. Okay, the initial sale is just the bait on the hook. If we go fishing and we put a worm at the end of the hook, that's just the initial bait. Okay, that worm might fall off. That fish might take the bait and swim away with it. You might catch a fish, but after that, how are you going to catch the second fish? There has to be a bigger bait after the initial offer, okay? The next reason is going to be that you guys are sending traffic to bad offers. And when I mean bad offers, I don't mean the wrong product. What I mean is you guys are sending all of your traffic directly to the sales page. So we have to look at it like this. If you send 100 people to the affiliate sales page, maybe 1% of those people buy, okay? Maybe 1% are even interested in that if you're sending cold traffic. So 1% of those people are interested in that, and maybe 1% of that is actually ready to buy right now. You guys cannot send your traffic directly to the sales page. You need to create a sales funnel. If you don't have a sales funnel, like something like ClickFunnels, or you're not building out an email list, you need to start to build out an email list. It's plain and simple, okay? This has been tested and proven time and time again, okay? All of the major players, anybody who is really making money online, is because they have a huge audience, for one thing, and they have a huge email list of warm leads, of people who are ready to buy right now. That's because they've pre-qualified them. You have to look at it like this. If I'm a real estate agent, okay, you have to find qualified leads, people who are pre-qualified, people who are have already done the process to be approved for a home loan. You can't just walk up to somebody and say, hey, are you ready to buy a house, and take them tomorrow to buy a house, because they're not ready. So you guys need to get your list of buyers, and you need to get them warm. You need to get them ready to actually purchase whatever it is that you're selling. So stop sending them directly to a sales page. Get them into a sales funnel, pre-qualify these people, offer them a ton of value. Because what's the difference between them buying from you or the next person? It's going to be the value that you're providing to that person over the next person as to why they are going to choose to buy with you. Okay, The next one is going to be, you guys do not know how to build relationships. You think that just because you like somebody's post on Facebook that that's a relationship. It's not. It's a foot in the door. It gets them to maybe notice you, whoever you are and whatever it is that you're promoting, but it does not build a relationship with that person. You have to figure out what people's pain points are, figure out what it is that they want to know answers to, and give them those answers by providing value. And that means that you need to make quality content that people are going to actually want to listen to or need or get their hands on, and build a relationship with those people. The sale does not come on the first time of meeting somebody, generally 9 times out of 10. Now, there is instances where someone is very impulsive and they want to buy something and they need that answer right then and there. However, majority of the time, people shop around. They want to get answers to things before they actually make a purchase. The last one here is going to be, you guys don't have an automated system in place. And what I mean by that is, you guys don't have the proper sales funnel set up. So maybe you have a landing page and you're capturing an email, and then the first email that they're getting is, hey, buy this product. That's completely wrong. Okay, if this was 10 years ago, maybe that would work, but you don't have a system in place. My autoresponder is built out for a year. Okay, so it's built out for a whole year, meaning that if someone opts in to want to get more information from me, or they want me to be their mentor, or they want me to teach them something in any one of my niches, okay? One of the niches that I'm involved in is the weight loss, health, and fitness niche, okay? It's a pretty big niche. It's highly competitive. However, when someone opts into my list for my health and fitness, I have an autoresponder set up for at least a year. I do not even plan on selling to them for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Because why? I want to build that relationship. I want to build that trust before I try to just sell them something. I want these people to know who I am and what I'm about and what I'm selling, and be well educated before I want them to purchase from me. Okay, so if you guys do not have a sales funnel, if you guys have not started building an email list, maybe you have built an email list and you don't have all of the tools, all of the software to be able to get your sales funnel up and running. Maybe you don't know how to build a website. I'm going to give you guys 14 days free. I'm an affiliate with ClickFunnels. They have given me a unique link to myself to be able to give to you guys, so you guys can get inside access to ClickFunnels. And with ClickFunnels, you'll be able to build sales funnels. You'll be able to send automated emails. You'll be able to check your stats and your contacts and create an automated series. You'll be able to set up an automated business, okay? Because the whole term of make money in your sleep, make money from the laptop, make money from anywhere in the world, is not because those people are taking their laptop and, to the beach and they're punching in some keys and they're just generating cash. It's because they have an automated system set up in place, so that when someone joins their list, when someone joins their audience, they're able to sell to them today, next week, in a month, in 2 months, okay? So the sales become passive. It starts to roll in over time. If you guys are completely brand new to internet marketing, I have written an Internet Marketing Profits book that is going to go over all of the steps and all of the basic information as far as what it comes to make money online with internet marketing. That link is also going to be in the description, guys. Remember, if this is your first time to my channel, I drop training videos 3 times a week at least. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, I am Dennis Anthony, and I will see you guys on the next video.